In this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 ChatGPT related Google extension that is going to help you save so much more of time in your productivity as well as in your marketing activities. If you want to know what are the top 3 Google extensions that I'm going to introduce for ChatGPT, remember to stay to the end. Hey guys, this is June because I was born in June. So the first ever Google extension that I want to introduce is called YouTube Summary with ChatGPT. So this is super duper powerful, especially you are consuming a lot of different content in YouTube and to learn stuff, right? So what it essentially do is that it is a Google extension once you install it. So whenever you go to your YouTube watching any videos, so you will see these
2,000-word essay
sections available. So these sections available, basically it has actually transcribed the entire YouTube videos into a summary and transcription for you. So when I press this arrow down, it actually tells me which minute and is the exact transcription available so that you guys can have a look over here before you're watching to the entire video. So if you want, this is a transcription, and when you press this, which is View AI Summary by ChatGPT, it's going to open a new tab, all right, in ChatGPT, and it's going to summarize the entire video for you. So as you can see, automatically it actually takes the entire transcription, all right, copy and paste over, and then go to ChatGPT and ask them summarize in the following 5 bullet points. All right, so let's just hit send. Okay. So now it actually tells you what this video is all about. So you don't have to spend time consuming the entire video, not knowing what kind of information they are getting, because from this transcription, it can actually summarize for you. If let's say it's too short and you wanted to make it longer, you can actually summarize in perhaps 10 bullet points and highlight and bold the keywords maybe. So let's try that. So as you can see, and it will actually summarize in 10 points for you. So whenever you use that. So I think this is pretty powerful, and it's going to save you so much of time without going through to the entire video. You know what is being conveyed in the video. So that is the Google extension number 1. So the Google extension number 2 that I think is very useful, it's called this is called Usechatgpt.ai. So when you're using this Usechatgpt.ai, one thing you don't have to do is that you don't have to keep on going to your browser, go to ChatGPT and type your conversation and ask your question there. But in fact, when you open this, right, so let me just go to another. Okay, so this is my profile. So you can press anywhere as long as you're in your browser, press this button and this ChatGPT will then pop up. You can ask any question that you want. So ChatGPT, give me top 10 tips and tricks in using ChatGPT. All right. So it will actually give you the responses that you need directly in this. All right. So let me just try it again. So stop generating. So give me top 10 tips to use ChatGPT to create content for social media. All right, so we are just going to hit generate. So as you guys can see, it will also give me the same responses as how it would give me in the ChatGPT Google Chrome, but I don't have to go back and forth. Like I don't have to go here and go back and forth to the different tabs, but rather this is within this Google extension. That is a tab that is opening side at a sideline for you. So this is what I love about using this ChatGPT AI. And one really cool thing is that it has set up some prompts that you can use, like whenever you are pressing this button. So let me show you guys. All right, so top 10 tips in using ChatGPT. Let me type it in. Okay, let's start generate the tips and tricks. So you will see that there are some effects that you can use in order to edit your prompt. So what you can do is that you can click this use ChatGPT and you want to improve your writing. You want to fix your spelling grammar. You want to make it shorter. So I want to change the tone maybe. I want to make it like super casual. So super casual. So you will then just give the ChatGPT the prompt, all right? It has already pre-written the prompt for you, and ChatGPT will then rewrite for you. So you can see there's a summarize, list key takeaway, translate, explain this, find action items, simplify a language, make it shorter, make it longer, improve the writing. So all these you can use it directly. Like maybe I'm just going to use paraphrase. Okay, so that you can take it to put in your blog, your social media, right? So this is one part about Usechatgpt.ai that I love. It is very simple to use. And the last one, all right, the last one is pretty cool. So the last one is called AIPRM ChatGPT prompt. So basically, it stores a lot of prompts that is being coming up by the public, right? By the public, and they have built a lot of prompts that you can use directly. Like for example, I can just, if let's say you want to use it together with Midjourney is another AI tools for creating images. You want to write human written 100% unique SEO optimized article. So maybe we just use this prompt. All right, and then after using this prompt is being written, and you just want to enter the keyword and title. The title maybe top 10 tips to use ChatGPT with Instagram posts. All right, so write in a fun way and include relevant emojis. So what this is going to do is that it's going to write the article for you, because the prompt has been written in the AIPRM. It is being shared with the public. And guess what? I can actually literally take this entire article and put in my blogs. It is being written in a way that you are able to copy and paste easily, right? So this is what this AIPRM is all about. It has a lot of public prompts that is already being written in terms of keywords, SEO, YouTube script creator, get a monthly content calendar. You can just always play around. It has almost about 2,600 prompts available that you can use. Okay, and then you can choose what kind of topic. Is it marketing related? If marketing related, maybe it's like writing related. You want to go for top votes, right? So these are the one that is being voted as the most commonly used. So you guys can use that to like AI course creation. So I want to create a course on how to use ChatGPT for beginner. So let's see. The prompt is pre-written, and no matter how lazy you are, so in the past you are lazy to bring some of the ideas, but then right now with the AIPRM, you're even lazy to come up with the prompt. The prompt is something like an instruction to the ChatGPT. So basically, it written everything for you, and it designed the entire course. So what it essentially does is ChatGPT is an overview kind of structure they can give you. So if let's say you want to expand to the specific area, like generating text with ChatGPT, you can then ask a follow-up question. Like maybe I wanted to ask fine-tuning your using custom prompts with ChatGPT. Can you design a course subtopic and content that talks about using custom prompt with ChatGPT use case for marketer? All right. So we just expand one of the point and see what it does for us. So it actually go back to the lesson 5. What is the introduction, how custom prompt works, and how to create a custom prompts, how to use the custom prompts. So you literally have everything. So what you need to do is just to fill in the blanks and fill in the answers. And sometimes you don't even have to come up with the answers yourself. So that's why if let's say you guys have not utilized this few Google extension that I'm using right now, it's called YouTube Summary with ChatGPT. Summarize the entire YouTube videos for you in point forms. All right, and then another one is called Usechatgpt.ai. It actually gives you some it actually have a pop up for you to use it, so that you don't have to go and back and forth with the ChatGPT. And lastly, it will be this. Okay, this is the latest that I just recently found out, AIPRM. It has a lot of pre-written prompts for you and being voted by the public what are the most useful ones, so that you can use it directly. So I hope that you guys be enjoying this course so far. So if let's say there's any other friends that can be benefit from this course, or just tell me like which is the favorite extension that you love to use. So if let's say there's any friend that can benefit from this course, feel free to send them the way. This course is free anyway, and it's going to help us to power up our our productivity as well as marketing. So if let's say you want to learn more about the work that I do, you can join my Facebook group at www.amazingstory.co, where in this Facebook group I always share the top tips and tricks in order to power up your productivity and marketing activities. And I'll see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.